How will artificial intelligence shape the future of work? A question that sparks both excitement and apprehension. And our journey begins with a closer look at what artificial intelligence is and what it is capable of. At its core, artificial intelligence is a computer system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks range from speech recognition and decision-making to problem-solving and even creative endeavors. As we speak, AI is already leaving its footprint in various fields and industries, reshaping the way we work and live. It's not just about robots and machines taking over human tasks. AI is about smart algorithms, data analysis, and machine learning that can augment human capabilities and enhance productivity. Now, why are we talking about AI and its impact on work? Because it's not just a buzzword or a trend. It's a scientific advancement that is changing the dynamics of our work environment. It's about how we adapt to these changes and leverage AI's potential to create a more efficient, innovative, and inclusive work landscape. In the workplace, AI has the potential to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human time for more complex, creative, and meaningful work. It can help us make informed decisions, optimize operations, and even open up new avenues for business and employment. But it's not all roses. The rise of AI also brings up concerns about job displacement and the need for new skills. However, let's not view AI as a threat, but rather as an opportunity. It's not about jobs being eliminated, but about jobs being transformed. It's about professionals leveraging AI for complex analysis, creativity enhancement, and superior customer service. It's about learning new skills, adapting to new roles, and embracing a future of work where humans and machines collaborate for better results. AI is not a distant reality, but an active participant in reshaping our work landscape. This transformation brings along its share of challenges and ethical considerations, which we will delve into in our upcoming segments. So, buckle up and join us as we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on the future of work. Remember, the future is not something that just happens to us. It's something we create. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. Makrot. Moving on to the brighter side, how can AI enhance the future of work? Imagine a world where routine tasks are automated and humans are free to focus on creative and strategic aspects of their jobs. This isn't just a dream, it's the promise of AI in the workplace. AI has the potential to increase efficiency and productivity exponentially. We're talking about computers that can process and analyze data at a speed that's simply not possible for a human. This means tasks that once took hours, days, or even weeks can be completed in a fraction of the time. By automating mundane tasks, AI frees up employees to concentrate on higher value work. We're looking at a future where humans are no longer bogged down by repetitive tasks, but instead can focus on problem solving, strategic planning, and innovative thinking. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also provide valuable insights through data analytics. We live in an era where data is king, and AI is the key to unlocking its potential. With AI, businesses can sift through mountains of data to find patterns and trends, enabling them to make informed decisions and optimize their operations. AI can also play a critical role in customer service. With AI-powered chatbots, businesses can provide instant, round-the-clock assistance to their customers. These chatbots can handle routine queries, leaving human agents to deal with more complex issues. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also enhances the efficiency of the customer service team. Moreover, AI can also assist professionals in complex analysis, thereby augmenting their capabilities. From predicting market trends in finance to diagnosing diseases in healthcare, AI's potential applications are vast and varied. In a nutshell, AI has the potential to turn the workplace into a more dynamic, efficient, and insightful environment. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can empower employees, streamline processes, and drive business growth. But as with any tool, it's how we use it that will determine its impact. So let's embrace AI, harness its power, and work towards a future where humans and machines collaborate to achieve remarkable results. However, the rise of AI does not come without its challenges. As we continue to integrate AI into our workplaces, we must grapple with several pressing concerns. First on the list is job displacement. There's an undeniable anxiety that AI and automation could replace human jobs. While it's true that AI can automate certain tasks, it's also crucial to remember that it's more about transformation than elimination. AI can enhance jobs, making them more efficient and freeing up humans to focus on higher value tasks. Nevertheless, the fear of job loss is real and must be addressed. So, how do we tackle this? The key lies in reskilling and adaptability. As the nature of jobs evolves due to AI, new roles are emerging. These roles require skills that can complement AI technologies. It's all about lifelong learning and the ability to adapt to new technologies. Emphasizing the importance of upskilling can help employees remain relevant and competitive in the job market. Finally, we cannot overlook the ethical considerations that come with AI. As AI systems become more powerful and integrated into our daily lives, they raise important questions about privacy, data security, and bias. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? How do we protect our data and our privacy in an AI-driven world? These are questions that need careful thought and regulation. It's crucial for organizations and policymakers to establish clear guidelines and regulations to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. This includes transparency in how AI systems make decisions, ensuring AI systems are unbiased, and protecting user data. As we embrace AI, we must also prepare for these challenges and ensure that ethical guidelines are in place. By doing so, we can harness the transformative power of AI while mitigating its potential risks. The future of work with AI is not a dystopian vision of machines replacing humans, but a vision of humans and machines working together to drive innovation and growth. In an AI-driven future of work, adaptability is key. The rapid evolution of technology and the rise of artificial intelligence are rewriting the rules of the workplace. This transformation brings with it the need for a new mindset, one that embraces change and is ready to adapt. At the heart of this shift is the concept of reskilling. As AI systems automate certain tasks, some roles may evolve or even become obsolete. But remember, this is not the end of the story. As some doors close, others open. With the advent of AI, we're seeing the emergence of new roles that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Jobs that combine technology and human skills, like AI ethicists or data analysts, are becoming increasingly important. However, to seize these new opportunities, it is crucial to continually update our skills. Lifelong learning becomes not just a nice-to-have, but a necessity. In this dynamic landscape, the most successful individuals will be those who are willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn. It's about staying curious, asking questions, and not being afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Moreover, it's not just about technical skills. As AI handles more routine tasks, human skills such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving become even more valuable. These are the skills that can set us apart in an AI-driven world. The transformation of work also requires organizations to play their part. They need to provide learning opportunities and foster a culture of adaptability. This means not just investing in technology, but also in their most valuable asset, their people. And let's not forget, adaptation is a journey, not a destination. The AI-driven work environment will continue to evolve, and so must we. It's about being proactive, ready to embrace new technologies, and turning challenges into opportunities. In conclusion, upskilling and adaptability will be our guiding light in navigating the AI-driven work landscape. By harnessing the power of AI and investing in our skills, we can look forward to an exciting future of work. The future of work with AI is not a battlefield, but a partnership arena. This might sound counterintuitive, given the common narrative of machines potentially taking over jobs. However, the reality is far more nuanced and, dare we say, exciting. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace us. Instead, it's here to augment our capabilities and elevate our potential. Think of AI as an ally, a collaborative partner that amplifies our strengths and helps us overcome our limitations. In this partnership, humans and machines each bring their unique strengths to the table. Humans excel at tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and understanding complex social dynamics. On the other hand, machines excel at tasks involving data analysis, pattern recognition, precision, and consistency. Imagine a work environment where repetitive, mundane tasks are automated, leaving humans with more time to focus on strategic, creative, and socially engaging work. Imagine a world where AI systems help us make informed decisions, reduce errors, and solve complex problems. This is not a distant dream. It's a reality that's unfolding right now. AI is already enabling doctors to make accurate diagnoses, helping architects design sustainable buildings, and assisting teachers in personalizing education. But as with all partnerships, the key to success lies in understanding and respect. We need to understand the strengths and limitations of AI, respect its potential impact, and be proactive in leveraging it responsibly. We need to bridge the gap between humans and machines through education and dialogue, fostering a work environment where collaboration and innovation thrive. At the end of the day, the goal is not to pit humans against machines, but to create a synergy where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create a future where humans and machines collaborate to achieve remarkable results. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more techno. I'll be releasing new mixes every week, so you don't want to miss out. And if you have any requests, let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos.